Fine. See, as we'll discuss about SQL, already people have read, I believe, right? Have gone through that wcschool.com MySQL, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Sir.
So fine. That would be great. Really, if you had gone through, then today the class will enjoy, hopefully. Okay. So see, this SQL, as I told you, the basic, we yesterday, the last class we discussed about database, where it fits, who are the database vendor, and how the database can get connected to the application, like what is database, what is RDBMS, what is DBMS, what is schema, what is query, what is SQL, the all relationship we tried to understand, right? So on top of that, we have gone through that SQL part and all these things. This is how it is doing. Now, when application will be doing that time, we'll be connecting application through our code. But before that, you need to be, you need to know little depth in SQL, that structured query language, whatever I said. Okay. So whatever you read, that is fine so far. Okay. So those are the basics part here and there asked. But what today I'm going to tell you, hopefully you will not get anywhere. You thinking what you are talking. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me open one Notepad. Notepad plus is there. Notepad plus is there. Let's use for this. I thought of creating one DB, but I think that's okay, maybe. Then you can go for SQL. Yes, it's there. Fine. So now, so we know about SQL, right? That structure query language, right? So as we know, is independent of database like DB2, Oracle, CBS. It's independent. Everywhere it will work. So that actually it's called database sub language. You can say SQL. Okay. Now, if I see the proper look of SQL, see, if I see this SQL, actually what is consist of? Actually this SQL is consist of few things. Are you people aware of it? If I take this, number one, it is something called DDL.
Data definition language.
Correct. Number two is DML.
Data manipulation language.
Number three is DCL. Number four is ECL. So if we see this, now why these things are required? These things are required for your understanding and your interview questions. Okay, maybe while you'll be coding, these things are not much required, but you need to know what is what. Okay, say Bangla say kotha khai na mathay de. You should know when you are writing a query. So now if I see the DLL, if I come to this DLL, inside DLL, what the things are coming? Okay, it's something called create. You people might have read, right? Alter.
Yes.
Now what is coming? Drop, rename, and many others, like whatever I remember, that's what I'm telling. And truncate, I believe, yeah. It's not giving here, why? It's not transaction, okay, truncate.
Sir, TRUN.
TRUN, no? Correct. Yes, truncate. Thank you. So these are coming under the DML, correct? Now, sorry, DDL. Now what is DML?
Insert, delete, update.
Correct. Insert, delete, update. And one more was there, very important. Select. And what about DCL? There is something
Grand.
on grand. Google is there, no? Good.
No, sir, I read.
No, fine, fine. I'm not means
Revoke.
Yeah, revoke is also there. So, even you see telling it from Google, that is also great, but you should remember. Understanding is that not Google is everything. All is to see Google. But the thing is, you should know. TCL, anyone?
Commit.
Then?
Rollback.
Then?
Java save point.
Save point. Save point is having very interesting story. I'll tell you later. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, so the SQL what yesterday I told. So this consists of these things. Okay, so the structural modification of the database. Structural means that structure means what? The column definition is nothing but the structure. If I say structural modification. Structural modification in the sense structure in the sense structure means what? It's nothing but the column. Okay, it's nothing but the column. Now here just someone says truncate here, right? Here's the basic things of the truncate. Let me tell you here. And this is truncate and drop. Anyone can tell me the difference between truncate and drop? Very, very common interview question. Very, very common interview question. Difference between truncate and drop. See, then truncate structure will remain the same. All the row will be removed. But in drop, structure and row both will be deleted. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Means the structure and record all will be deleted.
Can you say one more time?
See, in the truncate, what will happen? Suppose you are one table and there are some rows and columns are there, right? As a data. So if you do the truncate operation there, what will happen? The structure will remain the same, but all the row will be removed. Means that means all the row means whatever the row was there, first name, last name, all these things will be there as it is. Okay.
Yeah.
But if you said drop, it's not delete, I'm talking about drop. We said drop, so that means all the structure, everything will get deleted. It will
Okay.
abolish everything.
Yeah.
Please remember that. And then as you have read, right, like table like create table name, right?
Yes, sir.
That is how to create one table. Okay, let's create table name. That's it. Now here some important part I need to understand. Means I need to tell you is that is 1 minute. Let me remember. Primary key, right? Okay. So how shall I define primary key? Anyone can tell me? I want to give a primary key.
Primary key is basically the key which identifies every row, means it is unique for every row in the table.
Okay. Unique for every row in the table. Okay. Anyone else?
Yes, sir. Primary key is the identification of the particular table actually.
Identification of the particular table.
The particular table, not particular table. It's the identify the table's purpose actually. The identification through these identification. Every table has a primary key.
Is it? Every table has a primary key.
Unique and not now.
This is a dangerous thing people said. Unique and not long. Unique and not null. We'll discuss. See, these things are the basics. In Bengal, it's a Kandogan. You can have Mohagan, but you should have Kandogan first. Basic knowledge you should have. Because you have written 1,000 lines of queries, but you don't know these basics, and people will be asking the basics in interview. Anyways, so we'll talk in this. Fine. So as I told you, right, sir, that RDBMS, what is the R is all about? As we discussed RDBMS, right? Last class.
Relational database management.
Correct. RDBMS means the R is stand for relation. Relation means what? What relation?
Relation with two tables.
Between two tables, right? Now, who is going to define these relations? As I told you, gave you the example, one orphan and one like normal like us.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So suppose if I asked
And it's a structured way, they are connected with each other.
pardon, come again.
They are connected with each other in a structured way.
Correct. Structure way. They're connecting, right? As you are telling, they're connecting. How they're connecting? Connecting through where? Connecting through telephone or connecting through fax? How? To primary keys.
Using primary key.
Correct. Let's understand how. Suppose like we'll be giving suppose create. I hope you understand this. That's the reason I told you to read W3 school, so that once I'll be doing, you should not see in the style.
Connected with two keys, primary key and foreign key.
A foreign key will come parallelly. Definitely, the primary key is the we came from where? They were told every table should have primary key. My question is that every table should have primary key without primary key table exist? Question number one.
No, sir, it is not necessary for every table to have a primary key.
Correct. So if it is not a primary key, then what is the table is doing? How it is connecting to that table? So that means
through secondary key or
correct foreign key. Exactly. So it can see when, as I told you, there is one post called DBA, database administrator, right? It's a post in software industry. People used to work as a DBA, database administrator. What they used to do when some requirements come, they first they used to design the schema. You know what is schema, right?
Yes, sir.
So to design that schema means how many tables is required for this development, for this work, and how those tables are connected. Now, when they will be creating the tables and connecting each other, so that time that DBA will be defining the primary keys, which are the tables need the primary keys, and maybe some tables for the sake of data we need, that table might not be having primary keys, but this primary key will go as a secondary foreign key here. Okay, so that table consists of only foreign keys because that table is not a parent table. Remember, the parent table always is to have a primary key, but whereas the child table might have or might not have. When the child table will having the primary key, when that child table again become a parent table to the another child table. Am I clear what I'm talking to you?
Yes, sir. I've got it.
All? Is this clear? Any doubt? This thing has to be clear to all. I'm telling very frankly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let's try to create one primary key. So how we'll create? Oh, sorry, where I'm writing. Create what? How will create table?
Create table
Table.
name.
Create table name.
Suppose employee. Okay.
Yes.
Sorry, forget about this. EMP. I'll give EMP. Okay. Employee. They are employee. Now, how will do? What will do? I want to create one table. Suppose I want employee number, employee name, salary, like these three. How I'll do that?
Where?
Huh?
Where?
Tell me, someone tell me.
Sir, Ladly.
Yeah, tell me, no, tell me the syntax. I have created table. So
Create
now I'll
table.
give on braces.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll say employee number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this might be number of might be. See, this definition is up to you. Okay. How you are defining the table. And then suppose I want to give
Employee name.
Name.
Employee name.
correct employee name.
Name.
1 minute. My headphone gone. Ename. So ename can be varchar, right?
Varchar.
Yes, sir.
Oh, people have understanding this varchar numbers and all these things. That's the reason I told you to read w3school.com. Are you people understanding why I tell you to read W3? Because when you will be talking it, you should understand the things. You should be in sync. So if I give varchar, correct?
Varchar.
See, everything is here. Varchar 2 you can take 2, the range is little more. Okay.
Oh,
You can this you can put it. You don't want to put it, it's not a problem. Then suppose salary, correct?
Yes.
Salary is number, right?
Number.
Contact number.
Leave it. Just for example. Okay.
It's a demo.
Okay. So the salary, many things you can have. Many things you can have employees, all details. Okay. But generally, for the sake of example, I'm giving all this. Okay. Let's see. Let's just try to understand what I'm trying to tell. See, the salary, the number, how we can define. So my salary can be. See, I'm telling you very frankly, these things you will not in any books. Any books you will not find it. My salary can have, suppose, for example, this month I am getting, suppose, I am getting this salary. Suppose. So how I'll define here as a number?
Float, sir. Float.
Floating.
How I'll define?
Float.
If I give 7,2, have you read w3school.com properly?
Yes, sir. 7,
Tell me
2
honestly.
means,
Yeah.
that means 2. We can put up to 2 decimal places.
Correct. Read. That's why I told read w3school.com properly. Anyways, those who have not, I'm helpless. Now forget it. So these things will come. Yeah, these things they'll be asking in your interview. Now primary key. Coming to the primary key. Now suppose I'll be defining primary key. My primary key. This is for just your sense. What will be my primary key? E number. E number is primary key. So this is how somehow I'll make one table, right? So this is an employee table where employee number is my primary key. I have employee name, I have salary, and salary also I can show you how to give the floats and all. Okay. So this is how the things actually works. Now let me tell you, give for your kind information. See, there can be some character, right? So see, if I give as I say ename, no. So these information just note down. See, suppose ename care. Ename care I have given 20. And again, I have given ename varchar. What is the difference? Anyone? Both are same, but what is the difference?
Sir, in character, we can basically mean a lot, means we have a selected that we will put only 20 means at most 20 characters we can put, and the space is being allotted. But in varchar, the space can be deducted if we put less characters. Means varchar is used to save the space from space in the disk.
Okay, it's fine. 20 character. Anyone, any idea how much varchar can the limit? As you tell for character, 20 is the limit. Anyone having the varchar limit? Very important interview question. Anyone? Max limit of varchar? Max limit. Anyone?
Does
255.
not have any limit, I guess.
4,000 character. Anyways, so so this is the thing. See here, see in the in what it means. I want to draw some picture. See, if in character, no, in the character, for character it is normal, but when you talk about varchar, so it's request in terms of bits and character, whereas in the varchar is request only in terms of character. So because see when it's stored in the okay, let me, I will draw here. I don't have any idea because this you'll understand only here. See, if I take this, if I draw this, and suppose you just do like this. See, if this is the thing, no? If this way, if we draw, so how it's feel? So it will feel from like the initially for character, it will feel like this from here to here. Okay, from first to last. But in the varchar, it rescue for the next one dynamically allocation. Means dynamic allocation might happen in the varchar, but in character it will be the fix. So that's it. So that's the reason it can support 4,000 of character set, max limit for the varchar. But whereas in char, as you said, maximum 20 or something like that. I don't know now it's increased or not. Just try once. You write the query and try once. So this is how you need to inquire by your own. And these whatever I'm talking, no. So these things are very, very important things. Trust me, if you really understand these part, no, you can means you will be confident like anything. Okay, now come back. So that's all. Now there is something we learned here. Where is that? Where is it gone? Oh, that I have deleted. Huh? Okay. Something we learned here. Alter, right? Anyone say what is alter?
Changing the value.
Changing, sir. Everything is changing. World is also changing. But what kind of changing? Changing, fine. So I can rename also, right? That also change, right?
Rows and columns.
Sir, we can alter the name of any table column.
Okay.
You can modify a column, a table.
Yes.
with alter.
Yes. You can modify exactly. See, if you want to add column with like that employee number, employee name, and want to change the column means suppose from varchar 20 to varchar 30 you want to make. Correct. So that time you can put alter table.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
why
Alter table
Volta,
name. That's it. Alter table name. That's it. Yeah, tell me.
why Volta is DDL and update is DML?
Pardon? Why?
Why Volta DDL and update DML?
See, this is given like that. I don't know why it is not, but this is how it is defined by the SQL who has designed it. 1 minute. Your question, you can tell me what you're talking. Why?
Volta is DML and update is DML.
Alter HTML.
Sir, alter DDL.
Sorry, TML. That is TML. Let's see. but they are giving the difference between DL and DML. I don't think so. We have such. Let's see. Now they are giving this definition. Is this satisfying you? Your answer? No. All right. Here you will get the answer. See. Alter command used to alter the structure of the database, as I told just now, and it is, and this is what DDL done. That is, DDL statements are used to define the database structure or schema, whereas DML statement is used to manage the data within the schema object. One is managing the data, another is structuring the data. Structuring the data means altering the data structure. This is clear?
Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. This is what? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the point. See, this is how we should do it on here. So this is alter, this is gone. So now which one is the important part? Now coming to the DML. Okay, now come to the DML. Insert. Anyone say any insert? How to write one insert query?
Insert into table.
Suppose wait, Deval, wait. Suppose I want 2 rows. Okay, I want to add 2 rows. Or okay, you tell me. Tell me, Deval.
Insert into table
Mm-hmm.
fields, then values.
You tell one full name, no? Like suppose insert into our table was employee, right? Our table was employee, EMP. Insert into employee. Then
within parentheses, within dotted comma, within insert into employee, then field names separated by comma, and I think what is called that?
Anyone can simple one. Tell me some simple insert statement.
Sir, insert into table name.
Field
values মানে value গুলোকে আমরা put করতে হবে।
Correct. Insert into table name values.
কিন্তু স্যার ফিল্ড গুলোর নাম আগে দিতে হবে না?
Values.
No.
Bracket
with parentheses.
With values, I mean,
sorry,
value 1,
EMP.
value 2, value 3.
Correct. Whatever the rows, columns
Yeah.
we are having on that things. Yeah.
no,
C1, C2,
yeah,
C3, like that. So this is the basic structure, right?
yes sir.
Now suppose I want 20 rows, including previously 10 rows in one shot. Is that I'm clear? What I'm telling? My requirement is I want 20 rows to insert, correct? But previously 10 rows was there. And that 10 rows and these 20 rows in one shot I want to insert. How I'll do that? Boss, one table is having 10 rows, correct? Now I want to insert another 20 rows. So end of the day, it should having 30 rows.
Then you should go to alter command.
Why alter command? I'm inserting, right?
Inserting.
I'm inserting 20 rows, including whatever was there 10, it will be as it is. Another 20, I just want to include.
Update.
Update.
Why update? Insert. I am inserting, right? Why I'm updating? I just want to insert. It will be insert only. We are talking about insert. So insert into, if I say employee, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now I have to write something called inner queries. select star from EMP where row number, suppose row number less than 11, correct?
Yes.
So it will start it. Are you getting my point? See, this is the logic. This is how the insert query works. See, insert into values, that is the very basic minimal. But you have to play with the insert when we'll be having the application is big. Suppose in between you have to add some column. Some requirement came, they need to that employee name. Suppose employee secondary address was not there. That secondary address has to be there between his permanent address and his phone number. So how will insert that? So these are the real-time question people used to ask. So you need to add these inner queries. We'll talk about that. Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to tell you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
is that? Yeah, tell me.
sir, একবার
Now-
repeat করলে একটু ভালো হতো।
See, what I'm trying to tell you is, suppose you have attended one interview. The interviewer is asking you, he want to add 10 rows in a table.
Yeah.
That table is already having 5 rows.
Okay.
What will be your approach? Or how will do it? One table, 5 or 10, whatever the, suppose for example, if 5 you keep or 10 you keep, already existing 10. It's a good figure. 10 is there, another 20 you want to add. So how will do it? Or as I told you, the real time, you have to add one row. Suppose one new field came. As per the client requirement, one new field came. That field you have to add in a table. So that table, it will be inserting in a row, right?
Yes, sir.
So that row, how will you add? So this insert function will be, this insert activity will be there. That you have to play with.
Yes.
You have not read w3school.com, guys. If you properly read now and practice, then definitely. Anyways, let's come. Now, insert is there, and someone told update also, right? Now see, update means insert means totally inserting from the root. Means the new things it's inserting. But updating means it is just updating the existing thing. Suppose for example, suppose I was working in some company, there I was getting 10,000, okay, and my salary increased. I got one increment. So there I got another 5,000. So now my salary will become 15,000, correct?
Yes.
Now write a query to fulfill that, my update query. So suppose I'm an employee, right?
Yes, sir.
Now if I say update, hey, why I'm telling this story? Because you need to relate the practical scenario with these queries. Then only you will
Salary.
realize. Yes, please.
Update salary.
Huh? Update? Employee table. No, I'm employee. Update employee. Update the table. Okay.
Update table name.
Exactly.
Then-
Update table name. Now what I am setting? Suppose salary is a row, right? Though
Yes.
that row, my salary was 10,000,
Yes.
right? So now it's become 5,000 included, right?
Yes.
So how I'll do? I'll say set.
Yes.
Set my salary equal to sal plus whatever was there 10,000,
5,000.
another 5,000 is included.
5,000.
5,000.
No, my salary was there 10, no?
Yeah.
So that sal
No.
plus 10 it will be there, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now is this completed?
I mean the
Where-
condition.
Where with whom? Where employee ID or department number, something will be there, no?
Yes.
ENO.
Customer or
Employee ID, something like that, dot equal to something, or employee name. You give employee name.
Yes. Yes.
ENO, employee number.
Employee number is the best one, but for your understanding, I am telling, suppose for example, this. Now, will this work?
Yes.
So
Yes,
this is how people is going to ask you. It is not like that they'll ask you on a simple question. They'll be telling, in my company, I have an employee, he was getting 10,000. This month, in this year, he got promotion another 5,000. So now his salary become 15,000. Tell me the update query. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Relate with the practicality.
And yes.
Now there is something called delete. Delete means the delete from the delete is very simple. You delete means totally it will get deleted. And one more thing is there. I'll come to that. Okay. So let's understand that. Hey, so far is it okay? What I'm talking? Is it going
Yes, sir.
inside for
Yes,
you
sir.
all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very few people are talking. Rest are enjoying. Great. Later on, don't tell me when the work will be there. Okay, that I don't know this. Now, delete is very simple.
Delete form.
Delete
Table.
Form.
delete
Form.
form, right? Delete from table name,
Employee.
employee.
Where?
Where? You give anything, department number, employee name,
Employee
number,
ID or
whatever.
something. Yes.
Whatever you try to give that. Okay, that condition you should give. Okay, that condition. You said department number equal to, suppose this is 10. 10 is suppose computer science department in a college, correct? So this fellow left the college. He got job in a company. And they are deleting his ID from whole data from the schema or the table, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now there are some, I talked about truncate, right? There is something different between truncate and delete. Very important question, interview question. Anyone? Actually, no, to discuss this, I need to want to discuss the rollback also. But anyways, the truncate versus delete, at least you should know it. The theoretical definition. If anyone interested can tell me, there is something called rollback from, no, many things are there. Anyways, I don't want to, you just
So deletes in SQL is delete everything, right?
you only tell me, no?
Yeah. You told us, just delete. I mean delete everything. But you in the first tutorial just truncate is deleting only the rows.
That's what I want to hear from. Let's see what they're telling. That's the reason I'm here. Again, I'm asking you whether it's already
You
there
tell
or
me
not.
now about difference between drop and the truncate. Drop will delete like everything, and
Correct. When
truncate is like deleting only the rows.
only the rows.
Yes.
So now when I talk about delete, the between delete and truncate, so the truncate definition will be same, right? As it is.
Yes.
It will not change.
It will not change.
It will not change. So that's what I'm showing here. So even you are the only person who figure out that that we talked about truncate and delete. See. See here, see this. Are you getting?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I want to hear from you. You only read and tell me so that it will be there in your mind. See, there are one more interesting fact is there. See, before you commit, no, the DML exists in the buffer file actually. There are some buffer file in the, whenever you are executing the queries. So before we make any commit statement, okay, there is some, okay, I'll discuss that. Commit is, one statement is called commit, you know.
Yes, sir.
What is that commit? Commit in the sense, suppose you are designing on schema. Schema, you know what is schema. All the tables and you putting the relations and making the relationship between the tables here and there. So at a certain point of time, suppose you go and if you didn't save it or something like that, even say it is not saving, the permanent save is nothing but your commit. Your committing means that save will persist. You understand like this way. Okay, there are many operations running in between. Okay, but what happened is before commit, actually all the DML statement, whatever you have, those exist in a buffer file. But after rollback, it prevent images, you know, if it is getting much harder for you, then leave it like this. No problem. Okay, so this truncate and delete is okay. So
Yes,
now we got three things: truncate, delete, and what?
yes.
Truncate, delete, and update.
Drop.
So could you
Insert,
tell anyone
insert,
what is the
insert.
difference between truncate, delete, and update? Anyone? This is not fair.
Sir, truncate delete all row.
And update?
Update means setting a particular field.
No, so far what you understand between truncate, about delete, and about update. Could you tell me any similarities or any differences?
Sir, in truncate, all the rows are being deleted. In delete, we specify which row we have to delete, and in update, the row which is already present, we update that row. Means either we can change its name or its type, means character type to varchar type.
Correct. So guys, don't get confused, please. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What more? So see, these are the important concept you should know. People used to roam in these concept like anything. So you have to be clear here. There are many things. I'm pointing out few things because those which is being asked frequently and people used to get confused like anything. The interviewer only will make you confused. Okay, so what else? What more the important part? And whatever the duplicity is there, in that as per the DB is concerned, after commit, no, all everything will be permanent. That you know.
Sir, one question.
Bola.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me. I'm listening you.
Actually, in my machine, how can I install the SQL Server database?
That I'll talk to you. SQL Server, why you need? You only MySQL is enough. Okay, SQL Server is not free one. Okay.
Okay.
It's a paid one from Microsoft.
Okay.
So SQL Server, anyways, you won't get unless you're having some pirated copy. For your practicing purpose, you can use MySQL and any UI tool you can take. Lot of things are available.
Like in its hosting, right?
Oracle 11G is paid.
No, sir, it's not paid.
For student, there might be some version is available, but you can try that. But in general, Oracle is paid.
I have installed before Oracle 11G.
11G, that is not some, which version it is? What was written there in the 11G? See, if you have a 11G with your copy or means one, as a software from somewhere you have taken, but if you are trying to download from Oracle side, okay, then they'll be asking what purpose you are using for. Okay. So if you are showing as a student or something reader, something you can do. But so far Oracle is a paid one, not free. You can use, if possible, you can use, no problem. Now, last but not the least, now come as the truncate and delete. See the two things you remember. For truncate, no need for commit or rollback. Okay. But for delete, commit and rollback is needed. Is it digestible what I said?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
People will ask, they'll confuse you, they'll make you confused in this. They'll say, I'm doing truncate. Is that I have to commit? Is that rollback is needed? Now all this question will be roaming like star in your mind. Before that, please clear it. Again, I'm repeating, for delete, no need for commit and rollback. Sorry, for truncate, no need for commit and rollback. But for delete, commit and rollback is mandatory.
Yes, sir.
Now, what else? Where you can start? Okay. Now, one more interesting part I'll come.
So that
Okay.
left join and right join.
Yeah, I'll coming, sir. I'll coming. Wait.
Okay.
Let me clear all this good part. That is also good. Yours is also good. All are good. Okay. Now one more thing. This is after that I'll come that left join and right join. What is telling? See, all we used to write queries, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct? We used to write queries, no? Okay, what you read in w3school.com. Open that. Where is the SQL one? See, suppose, for example they are given. No?
Yes, sir.
Select distinct. This is also very important. Wait.
Distinct means different.
Wait. So we used to write this kind of queries, right?
Yes, sir.
Select, customer name, city, from customer. So we'll be getting the values of customer name and city from customer table,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
now let me write. So these kind of queries we used to write. Now what I am trying to tell you, this is also one more very, it is little tough question, but people used to ask, company like product-based company like they used to ask. And for me, they have asked once, Deloitte. See, suppose I have select. I have select from, right? Used to write.
Yes.
Select from. Then used to give where. This kind of sequence used to give, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then suppose you can give group by. Don't ask what is group by. Why it's not taking group by? Yes, group by used to be there. Group by is not here anyways. They are not given, no problem. Group by.
Exists, having.
Then having.
Yes, exists.
Then order by. They asked what is the sequence. If suppose, sorry, that is one mistake from having. Yeah, having order by. So now they ask, so this is, if I give 1, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, suppose this is 6. So these many things are there. Suppose if I run this query, means which will be the order of execution. Actually, what happened when the query will start executing? Which will come first? See, select, you know, right?
Yes, sir.
Select, just we are selecting what are the things to be there. From means from which table or from which view we have to select. Correct? Where
Yes,
means we are just eliminating all the unnecessary rows. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And group by means what?
Sir, group by means putting.
Group wise you are collecting, right?
Yes.
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 like collecting your electric bill floor wise, or collect salary job wise,
Yes.
or something like that. Now having means what? Having means just eliminating unnecessary groups. Those who are having this means we're eliminating. And order by means
the way we want to have
Ascending order to descending order.
correct. Now, if this is the scenario, now exactly what is the order of execution? Can anyone tell me?
Sir, first we will select the table, then we will select the row, and from that
What
row
I'm
we
writing.
will
Tell me the number, sir. First, which one come?
Select-
Out of 1, 2, 3,
select
3, 4. First,
one.
which one come?
One select.
First select. So first, okay, that let me write here. So first it will be select. Then
sir from.
Form.
Select. You sure select first? Okay, fine. Tell me. You tell me now. I'll tell you the second.
From, sir.
From.
It is 2. Then third.
Where?
Where? Good. Then fourth.
I think
Having,
sir.
Okay. Then
Goodbye.
it is goodbye. Then 6th is this on left,
Order.
right?
Yes.
So 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. You told, right?
Yes.
Even I also told the same, but I got rejected.
The group by having and order by are means the commands. Means if we
See the order. Yeah. Listen, see the order. The first will be form. The first select is the FORM. When the exit from where it will search. The first get executed. It is in the the great books of IITians. Okay. So the order is this one first. Let me write down there here. This is the first. Okay. The second is where. Where you want? This is second. Third is group by. Fourth is having. Fifth is order by. Sixth is select. Guys, not happy. Even I was also not happy. This is the order of execution. Note it down. But it's not much important, but maybe someone may ask something.
How, sir?
How means this is how the SQL is, this is executed internally. When you run a query, inside this is how it is executed. If you want, I'll refer you the book. It's not that whatever I say you have to accept. You just, you also can search and read. Okay, so the base, hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Which book?
There was one book written by one IITian. I'll tell you that. Even I need to search that. But I remember this is the things which I written down in my notebook. Select with the last one. The first one will be the form, second one will be the where. And now the condition and the 3, 4, 5, all these group by, having, order by will be there in sequence. And the last will be the select. After getting all the queries from is the first one, and after getting then where, and after getting your having or group by or order by, like you want to eliminate something, or you want to how you want to collect, or you want to enter the same thing as it will be presented or order by. So after finding all these stories, the select will be the last. After getting everything in hand, it will just select. Means the fishing, right? You put something in your that those materials and something in the pond or something like that river, and finally you just catch the word. So that is select. When everything match, when fish come and called. So this is the sequence 6 1 2 3 4 5 for the select form where group by having order by. Note it down. But anyways, it is one, they asked me one in my Deloitte interview, so I remember that, so I shared it. Okay, now Deval, what you are telling, sir?
Hello, sir. This is
Deval,
I am
tell me
telling
now.
about
Hey
the
guys,
left-
anyone? Wait, Deval. Guys, anyone has to tell anything?
When this query are run, these are error or not?
Yes, sir.
This query error.
I'm not getting. Come again?
স্যার আমি যদি এই কোয়ারিটা রান করতে চাই এটা এরর হবে কি?
এখানে কি আমি কোয়েরি লিখেছি?
না না কোয়ারি নয়, সেটা বলছি না, এই সিকোয়েন্সে যদি আমি লিখতে যাই সেটাই বলছি।
নো, আই ডিডন্ট গেট ইট। তুমি সিকোয়েন্সে কি লিখবে এটা তোমার কিছু করার নেই, তুমি তোমার মতো কোয়েরি লিখবে। Select star from where hana tana which, but internally in the back end when the query will execute, it will maintain this order. Are you getting what I'm talking?
Yes, sir.
Guys, you don't have to.
Yes, sir. It's an execution process.
Correct. This is how the query get executed in the back end. This is the sequence. Search it. No, search. You start searching, you'll get.
Hello,
I
sir.
search, I got. Yeah. Tell me, Deval, you are telling something. Anyone else has to say anything so that I can go to the Deval question? Tell me, Deval. Yeah, Deval, tell me.
Sir, this group by left join and right join, can you discuss with the examples? Then it would be better for me.
You didn't get that in wcschool.com.
wcschool.com, I have understood the inner join, but left join, right join is I can't. Why it is called left join or right join? Right join I can't understand getting the WC schools.
Anyone can help him. Anyone can help left join and right join. Deval, guys, I'm asking from you because you also need to speak out and need to teach people. Left join and right. Which one, Deval? Left join and
right join.
Anyone, please. I'm expecting someone. Anyone, please. Left join and right join. What do you understand by join, Deval?
Joining means joining two tables with matching ID. That means
Correct.
foreign key matching ID. The joining the two tables. That is I understand actually.
Come again. Once again. Matching the
Joining two tables on the basis of foreign key concept. Foreign key hierarchy. Two IDs have been matching with 2 or 3 tables, and with that basis of joining IDs, the all respective values are listed.
Okay. No, how you means you tell me, suppose I have 2 tables, right? One table I have 5 columns and another table I have 3 columns. So if I make a join, what is the purpose of making a join?
Suppose I have a table in product named product, and I have a table in like named order. So suppose product ID or
yeah, guys. So if I continue this join, it will take another 30 minutes. Are you people allow me to do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So as see, this is also very, very important things, this joining part, So we should know. Join. Right, this is right to make this. Please understand. Again, you won't get in any book. See, join, you know, this join, we can do the segregation of join in two ways. One is join type, and another one is, Deval, you will get your question answer. No worries. Okay, you just listen.
Okay, sir.
Join, and another is join condition. These two way we can do. So always this join type is going to subjectify how the tuples are represented in the result. Tuples, we know, tuple means the rows I'm talking about, the data. Okay. But the join condition means what to do with the unmatched tuples. Now you have to digest this. See, I told you join type and join condition, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now join type means what? So join type means it's always going to specify, you know, it's like how the tuple means those rows and columns values, okay, are represented in the result. Means how your data will come. And the join condition means what to do with the, you know, the rest of the things. So those will be the join condition. So you will be saying, what are you talking, sir? Join condition means it should be the what, in which condition the value is becoming, right? So your expectation might be that. Condition means whatever the condition will give, according to that condition, as per that condition, value should come. But no, in join, as per the definition of SQL, the join have two types. One is join type and another is join condition. Whereas join type is always is going to specify how the tuples are presented. But whereas in join condition, what to do with the unselected tuples, means unselected values. Okay, let's digest more. Okay. Irrespective of the join type, always match the tuples are going to be present in the result. What does it mean? What I'm telling, irrespective of the join type, whether it is a any kind of join, it can be happen. Okay, that as he told, left adjoint, right adjoint, all outer join, left outer join, right outer join, many things are there. So always match the tuple are going to present in the result. Okay, I'll justify that what I'm talking. Now, join condition, you can note it down. Join condition is going to specify two things. How to match the tuples, and second is which attributes are going to be present in the result, correct? Hey, is this what I have written make sense? Hello?
Hello, just a minute, sir. I'm just noting it down. After I'm talking
Note
to you.
also and try to understand. Fine. Note also, try to understand.
Okay.
So join, we are talking about join. Now what the join condition is going to be, this join condition. What do you say? This join condition. See, this join condition is going to specify what? If it is digestible, then I'll proceed further. Then I have to come back.
Sir, didn't understand.
Very good. Who else?
Sir, in join means basically we check the values of the columns of both the table.
Correct. Okay. Fine. Hold it here. let it hold here. Okay, and I think a little we should go little deeper. Sorry, then you will understand all this. So let's try to understand what I said. The join type I said, no. So what are the join type? Anyone? You only told, no, nowadays. Now only
Inner join, outer join, left join, right join, self join.
Let's do like this. First inner join, then left outer join.
Left outer join, then right.
Left outer join, then
right outer join.
Right outer join. We will see. Right outer join and then
self join,
outer
self join. Self join.
Self join, leave it. That itself is a join. Now join condition, what I said. What is the condition? Ladies and gentlemen, what is the condition? So it can be natural any condition or can be on condition or using any attributes. Employee ID equal to this, salary increase, right? Employee name equal to this, some attributes, or giving some condition. Correct? Guys, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now for example, suppose, so since you are telling, I'm telling all these details, okay? If it is not digestible, tell me, because
okay.
This you have to know. You have to know. This is the only join. Now, for example, I'll give you example, then it will be clear for you. So suppose I have, how I can see, suppose I have one R table and I have one, just simply I'm giving one S table. Okay. Now in R table, you will understand this. I have A, B, and C. And here I have A, B, and E. Just understand what I'm telling. Now, for example, as I told you, the natural join. Okay, here let me give some element, then you'll understand. See, for example, suppose this is A1. Hey, is this what happened? This is A2 and this is A3. For A1, B1, that's what I can give. A1, B1 for your understanding, C1. Okay. Now, for here, A2, B2, and C2. I'm giving the example to make you understand. A3.
Sir, I have a question.
Tell me.
Sir, the A1, B1, C1, these are the values of row A, means these are the values of the first row.
Correct. Let me complete. Now you won't be having any question. Please give me some time so that I can complete it, so that this question will not be there. Okay. So A1 is B1, then it is, suppose it's E1. Correct. These are values. Now suppose this is A3. I fear that this get A2. See, these are the value, nothing else. Okay. E3. Now when you'll be joining, so then how the result will be. So you'll be seeing that. A4. A4. A3. Sorry, it is B2 here. Tell me, no? B3 and then B4. These are the value. Okay. This is acceptable, no? This is value, this value, no problem, right? I I can be anything.
Yes, sir.
Right? So now if I go to the natural join, okay. So now if I go R natural join, yes. Now what will the value of this R natural join if I do a normal join? Anyone? See these.
Sir, to do the natural join,
Hmm.
definitely.
Tell me the value. Tell me the value. Tell me the value. What will be if I do the natural join between R and S? What I'll get the values? If I do
Sir,
natural join, what will come?
B1,
Suppose
B2, B3.
think about the column ABC is there and ABE is there. If I do a natural join, what will come?
AB.
Sir, A1, B1, B2, B3.
AB will be
Boss,
selected.
forget about this. Forget about these values. Forget about these values. Okay. For the time being, just forget about these values.
Yes.
Forget about these values. Suppose we have ABC in one table and ABE in another table. Okay. So if I do natural join, what happens? It will take all the element in left hand side, right? It will take all the element in left hand side, and it will take all the element in right hand side by eliminating the duplicate. Simple join is that, right? All element will fetch from R and all element it will fetch from S by eliminating the duplicates. So which one? So what will be the value here? I'll be having all element from left mean A, B, C, correct? And from right, A, B it will eliminate. It will be E.
Yes, sir.
This is right. This is what is join. Now
Yes,
you play
sir.
with the values. Think about the values. What will come and what will not come.
Sir, means we only eliminate the rows which have same name.
This is the definition of natural join, normal join. Correct? What you said, that is correct. If any attributes are common, then the value of those attributes should be the same. Just remember this. If the attributes are common, then the value of this attribute is the same. See, I'm trying to give you the concept. Okay, please try to cooperate and understand. Once it's go inside, no, it will never come out. I'm telling you. I'm promising you. So this is what is natural join, what you have learned so far. Okay. Now, as Deval said that he is getting confused with the outer join and inner and some other outer join, right? So I want to discuss those with example. Okay, let's discuss here only. Now, so this is a normal join we did, right? Now they will tell me if I want to do one inner join, what will be the difference and what will be the result?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
To do from this structure, though.
From this structure.
Just a minute.
See,
Sir.
okay, you listen. See, let me tell you. For the inner join, please remember. For the inner join, unmatched tuples should be excluded from the result in the case of inner join. Now you tell me what is the result?
Just a minute. A1, B1,
AB.
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 No, I am talking about if you do the inner join between these two, ABC
Sir,
and AB.
A1. Sir, A1.
Tell me. Someone is telling. A1. A1.
B1.
B1.
B2, C2.
B1. A2. A2. No, sorry, sir. A2.
Sir, B2 and
Okay.
B2,
No, wait.
B2.
Don't get
B2?
confused. Say A1, A2, B2. Why are you doing? You think about one row, no, and do the inner join. Don't confuse. Either you think about this color, this your own name only, or any one set of values. Don't get confused with all. Let me delete.
From the first row, it would page A1, B1.
A1, B1. Exactly.
A1, B1, fine. A1, B1 I wrote. Okay.
Second,
What about
a
C1?
B2.
Then B2,
Array, how
B-
will do the join? Array, let me delete this. Now tell. I want to do a inner join between this.
then A1, B1.
A1, B1. Then A1, B1 with the inner join. What I tell?
The unmatched tuples will be not listed.
Excluded.
Excluded, right? Unmatched tuple will be excluded.
So C1 and E, this is E1 in the A structure. This is E1 and this is R structure. This is C1. Then those would be excluded, and A1 and B1 would be listed.
This is called
Inner join.
Inner join.
Hey guys, are you understanding what is going on here? All.
Yes, sir.
Are you people there? First of
Yes,
all.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
20 members are here. If I remove myself, 19 people are present. I hardly say 3, 4 yes sir or no sir. Hey Megha, you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting what is going on?
Yes, sir.
Shobik,
Yes, sir.
Suman, Sanjay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nikita,
Yes,
Udayan,
sir.
Tisha,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Vinita, Ayush. Guys, please cooperate. It is your learning only. Now come to what was there? What is left?
Left outer join.
Left outer join.
Yes, sir.
Left outer join.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now left outer join. What is the left outer join? What will happen? Let me tell you. Along with the match couple, all the unmatched couple at the you consider the one is LHS and another is RHS, okay? For the time being. So along with the match couple, all the unmatched couples at the LHS should be present in the result by placing null all the right hand side attributes. That is what is called left outer join.
Couldn't follow, sir. Please. Could
Write it
understand
down. Write it down. Write it down.
Okay.
Along with the matched couple, a tuple, T-O-U-P-L, tuple in the sense we are telling here. Along with the matched tuple, all the unmatched tuple at the LHS. Along with the matched tuple, all the unmatched tuple at the LHS should be present in the result by placing null all the right hand side attributes. Now could you tell me what is the value?
Sir, A1, B1, C1.
A1, B1, C1.
A1, B1, C1, and then
C1 is a null value.
wait. Tell me the value. Here A1, someone said, then B1, then C1, then sorry, let me. Tell me.
E1.
A1, B1, C1, then
E1.
A1, B1, C1, then. Okay, now wait. Now wait.
Just a second, sir. Hello.
Yeah. Tell me.
You told the last couple of
Last
words by
along
placing
with
null.
the
By placing null.
I'm repeating. Along with the matched tuple, all the unmatched tuple at the LHS should be present in the result by placing null all the right hand side attributes.
Okay.
Now let's consider this much. See, this coding is nothing but mathematics only. Trust me. Once you understand this, all are easy. Sorry, it is. If I give this is A3, No problem. Anything you can give. I can have any values. From here I can have. Tell me. Now tell me. Left out or join? What could be the value? Sir, I gave you the definition. Is that
A1, B1, C1.
C1?
A1, B1, C1.
Fine.
Then I'm telling. Just a minute, second. Then B2. Then A2, B2.
What about E?
That is null.
Is that E1 will be null the first time, right?
E1 would be null.
Why?
Because you are telling that placing null on the all right hand side attributes.
Array.
Left hand side attributes will be null, which is not matched.
Correct, which is not matched. Now tell me.
Okay, sir.
Correct. See, along with the matched tuple, all the unmatched tuple at the LHS. Unmatched tuple means which is not matching in the LHS. We present in the result by replacing the null at the right hand side. So it will be E1 only, right?
Then E1, okay.
Now, think.
B2, A2.
Okay, A2.
B2. No, B2. No, B2, B2.
B2.
C2.
C2. Fine.
E3.
Yes, E3.
Sure. Array, yaar, how can it will be? Is it matching?
It will be E2, sir.
How come it will be E2, sir? Again, I'm repeating. Along with the match tuple, first of all, match tuples will be there, correct? Any doubt? Whatever is matching, it will be as it is.
Yes,
No
sir.
doubt, right?
No, sir.
Now, along with the match tuples, all the unmatched tuple are the LHS. In the LHS, whatever the unmatched tuple is there. Should be present in the result by replacing null at the right hand side, at the right side attribute. Okay, let me do. Huh? This is the result. So if you understand that, then you understand the left outer join. So this is my way of teaching. Okay. Simply telling the theory is very easy. Understand the mathematics.
Sir, one question. Maybe it is a very simple. I can't understand. In the first row.
Wait, Deval. Hold on. I have given you the definition, right?
Yes.
I have given you the table also. You know which is left hand side, which is right hand side.
Yes.
And I have given you the result also. Just think on that, match this result with the definition. Maybe after the class also, if you're not matched, then come back. You need to put some pressure on your brain, then it will come out. What about others? Someone type something. Oh, he's not able to talk, huh?
Sir, in left outer join, how can there be E1?
That is my question. Why it is not null? Why how there is E1?
Then rest are okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Anyone?
No, sir. The right outer join is just opposite of left outer.
That is fine. We will come to the right outer join. Will come, sir. Will come. See, I know this. This way people will. Hey, wait. I'm getting one call. Hold on. I'm going to mute for a second. Okay, guys. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to right outer join. Tell me what will be the right outer join. Okay, let me give you the definition. Right outer join.
All the left out.
Matched tuple plus unmatched tuple in RHS. Matched tuples, all the matched tuple plus unmatched tuple in RHS, and put null at left hand side attributes. Ulta.
Yes, sir.
Ulta. So now, anyone can tell me quickly what is the value?
Sir, null. No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, A1, B1, null.
A1, B1.
A1, B1, as in column C, there will be null. In
Why column C will be null?
Sir, because it is from the left hand side. Means it.
No. Wait. So this is your homework. Do it.
That is
so
A1, B1, E1, sir. A1, B1, E1.
C1, right? It's not E1. C1. E1 is the last, right?
No,
A, B, C, E, right? If we put this, it will be A, B, C, E, right? What will be the value? Boss, if I make join of these two tables, no, what will the value?
A1, B1, C1.
Correct. A1, B1, C1.
Null.
Do it. This is exercise. Right, left outer join I need, right outer join I need. Please note it down. Those I need everyone. From everyone, I need this. These are the ABC and ABE. This is the left hand side table. This is the R table, or you can say it's an LHS table. Forget about LHS. And this is RHS table. Okay. These two table. And I'm giving you the definition and you just give me the result. Okay, right outer join, have you written? Until unless you are using your brain will be fatty and become cholesterol, having cholesterol and all, you have to go to doctor then for your brain if you're not executing your brain. So right outer join is like matched tuple plus RHS unmatched tuple and put null at left side attributes. That's it. The ulta of RHS. Now, that's it. This is enough. You just do this, then all kind of join you'll be able to do. Left outer, right outer, natural join. If these two you understand, you'll understand all. Hey guys, why are you not talking? Omega, you there, Ladli?
Hello,
Yes,
Are you getting what I'm telling?
yes, sir.
So please do this as an exercise from me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and see the result probably tomorrow night. Please. Okay. Hey guys, I have to off today. Okay, it's too late for me. Fine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So fine. So please note it down. Before
Yes,
going
sir.
off, note it down. Note it down. I need the result for the natural left outer join between LHS and RHS, and natural right outer join between LHS and RHS. Correct?
Sir, I have just a question.
Yeah, tell me. Tell me.
Sir, as you have said that in left outer join, the name of the rows will be A, B, C, and E. So in right outer
No. See, A, B, C. There are two tables. One is
no,
A, B, C, another A, B, E.
No, sir, the resultant table means in the resultant table, first you put A, then
Resultant table always A, B, C, and E, because because this is the matching one, right? So I'll be taking A, B, C, and E. It will be the resultant table.
Sir, in right outer join also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
It will be A, B, C, and E. Only the values will be different. Some will be null, some will be not. Some values will be present here. Some value will not be present there. Okay.
And right outer join is just reverse of left outer join.
Yeah, that by seeing it is very easy. But explain me here by values.
Yes, sir. I
need that explanation.
Sir,
Yeah, fine. Yeah, fine. Understood.
Sir,
Your doubt is fine. Yeah. Pardon?
Sir, the values will be A1
for
in right
outer join. Yeah, tell me A1.
B1.
B1.
In C column, it will be null.
Then.
And in E column, there will be E1.
Next.
Sir, similarly A3.
A3.
B2.
Correct. B2.
Null. And after that E3.
Why it will be null, sir? Why this will be null? Why this one will be null? This value.
Sir, because these are from the left hand side table, and in left hand side table there is a
what I said, the match table plus right hand unmatched table.
Yes, sir. C column is unmatched.
Put null at the left hand side attributes. Think. You think and get back. Fine, it is going, you're going fine, but think little bit. Put some pressure on your brain. Don't make your brain idle. Don't give a chance to become fat and take a medicine for cholesterol and all. Okay, that will be very dangerous. Fine, guys, no problem. You're going fine, but let me know the result. Let me know the result.
Sir, and what is the outer join type table?
Left out, we said left,
outer only
left outer, right outer we told, right? This is what I said, that it is a left outer join and right outer join.
Sir, he is perfectly correct, sir, because the A1 and
that's what I'm telling. See, it is fine. I'm telling, I'm not saying that you are wrong. You just make your result ready, okay? And you give your justification. If you are right, then you are wrong. I'm not saying that you are wrong.
So
what I'm telling, sir, whatever it is, you just make your result ready and we'll meet. Fine?
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow, sir, tomorrow.
Not tomorrow. Tomorrow night, anyways, that class is there. That one meeting will be there. You can tell whoever has done. I'll be saving this page. I'm saving this page. See, my class is not like that.
Sir, tomorrow is there no class. In Monday there is class.
No, tomorrow means tomorrow. Saturday night used to be there. No, people might have not there, but Saturday night one class is there.
Yes, sir.
I don't know how many people used to attend or not.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Chalo. Okay, guys, I need to chop up. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Hope people have written down, right?
Yes.
See, don't get scared. Don't get scared like what is going on. Please try to learn in this way. This is the true way of learning. Trust me, this is the true way of learning. If you read something, read some definition. No, it's even it is something, it will be in your brain for some days, for some hours, for some month. But if you learn like this way, it will never go. And on top of that, when you'll be developing something, you'll be writing code, you'll be writing queries, it will be, just bahater khel bola na Bengali, just you can do like anything.
Yes,
Okay guys, okay, chalo, thank you, thanks
Yes,
all.
sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
thanks.
Thank you. Good night.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, bye bye. I'm stopping.